Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripod Study Center. We are today doing a very important topic here, MCQ. MCQ question for a class 8 Science Chapter Reproduction in Animal for the CBSE NCERT text basis here. That's important, which will be very important for the exam point of view, and it will be important for the competitive exam also. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important chapter here, class 8 CBSE NCERT science here. The chapter here, reproduction in animal. That's an important chapter, and here Tripan Study Center doing here a most important MCQ question here. That's important and important also for the competitive exam here. Let's see question here. On question on your screen, question is the most important here. Viviparous organisms are the ones which, you know that is question is very important. The viviparous organisms are the ones of which. That's important. The option here, produce a eggs, B, produce a young one, C, both 1 and 2. And reason none of these. Question is very interesting here. But first of all, you check your knowledge and give a correct answer for this question. And also write the correct answer for your notebook. You know that you must have a thought of your answer and also write the question. Let's see. Check the correct answer for this question. Question is clear here. The viviparous organisms are the one which, you know that, produce egg. I have know that produce egg, viviparous organism does not produce egg. It means the A option is here wrong. Yani rejected is a produce a egg. A option is reject. It means to here C option also reject and D option also reject. There is only as a reminder is one option B. So here B, produce a young one. That is the correct answer here. You know that the produce a young one, option B is correct for this question. Viviparous organisms are the one which is the produce young one. B option is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Cloning is made of. Cloning is the most important here. There is option sexual reproduction, B, asexual reproduction, C, both 1 and 2, and D is none of this. Question is very interesting. Cloning is a mode of. You know that that's an important question. But first of all, you check a knowledge and write the correct answer for your notebook. That's important here. You know that you must have a write the correct answer for your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer for this question. Question is clear here. Cloning is a mode of. You know that cloning is here a different method of reproduction here. It means the sexual reproduction is option is rejected here. Because there is a sexual reproduction, there is a not important here. It means to A option is rejected. It means to the C options and D options also rejected here. It means to the option B is correct. The cloning is a mode of sexual reproduction. The cloning is the mode of asexual reproduction. It means to the B option is correct here. The B option is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Animals exhibiting external fertilization. You know that animal exhibiting of external fertilization produce a large number of gametes. That's important question here. And pick the appreciate reason from this following. You know that that's important. The animal of fertilization produce a large number of gametes. That's important here. Option A, the animals are small in a size and want to produce a more offspring here. And B, food is available in the plenty in water. And C, to ensure better chance of fertilization. And D, water promotes production of large number of gamete. You know that is a question is very interesting. But first of all, you check our knowledge and write the give answer for correct answer of this question here. You know that you must have write the correct answer for your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear here and very interesting also. Animal exhibiting external fertilization, not a internal. Internal means there is under a body, but external they're outside of body. That's important. You know that external fertilization is a animals that take place here. External fertilization produce a large number of gametes. Pick the appropriate reason from the following. That's important. First options here, the animals are small in a size and want to produce more offspring. You know that the animals are small in size and want to produce more offspring. That is not a correct answer of this question. Next year, food is available is a plenty in water. No way. That's a nothing is a right as a statement of this question. It means to the B option here rejected. The C to ensure better chance of fertilization. You know that that is sufficient answer to this question. It means to C option is correct. To ensure better chance of fertilization, option C is correct for this question. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Sets of reproductive terms are given below. Set of reproductive terms are given below. Choose the set that has an incorrect combination. You know that this is an important question here. Here examiner asks the question, there is a set has an incorrect combination, not a correct, incorrect combination. That's important for the exam point of view. You know that a first year sperm, testis, sperm duct and penis, and B is a maturations, egg, oviduct and uterus. C is a sperm, oviduct, egg, uterus, and D evolutions, egg, oviduct, uterus. That's an important question. But first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook firstly and check your knowledge. That is important. And I give you few seconds for here. You know that. Write the correct answer for notebook. Let's see. Check this question for the answer here. Question is very interesting. Sets of reproductive terms are given below. Choose the set that has an incorrect combination. You know that here option is 3 is a correct combination, but one combination is here wrong. I have only this incorrect combination is a find out. That's important. That's as the first option is sperm. There is a produced by testis, and testis there is a sperm duct and there is a penis. You know that is here series penis, sperm duct, testis is a producer sperm. It means to the here a right combination. That is the correct combination. Penis, there is a backside here penis. Penis is there is a sperm duct. There is a testis is a producer sperm, which means to the is a right answer. This is a correct statement here. And we have maturations. Maturation is a producer egg, and egg producer oviduct and the uterus. It means to the B option is also is correct here. There is a but examiner asks here incorrect combination. You know that 2 is a correct combination, but examiner asks here incorrect combination. That's important here. And third here is sperm, oviduct, egg, uterus. That is a different here. But let's see check a D option. The ovulations, egg, oviduct, uterus. That is a correct statement here. It means to the D options, A option, B option rejected here. But C is here very different. Is here sperm, oviduct, egg, uterus. This is not a combination. It means to the here C option is correct. It means the set that has an incorrect combination is a C. There is examiner ask a question incorrect combination. C is a incorrect combination. It means the C option is right here. C option is right. Let's see next questions here. Next question on your screen. Question here, which of the following show the external fertilization? You know that first of all you understand what is external fertilization. External fertilization means there is a note in the body of fertilization, the outside the body fertilization. That's important. The option here: A frog, B human beings, C cow, D hen. That's important. That's important for the exam point of view. You know that first of all, you check a correct answer for this question and write the notebook a correct answer here. That's important. You must have write the correct answer for your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. Which of the following show the external fertilization? Hen hair is the fertilization under of the body. It means to the fertilization is the egg giving the fertilized egg. It means to the hen is not a here external fertilization. Cow is also is a both a young one. It means to the cow is not a is a fertilization is a external. It means the C options also is a rejected here. And B human beings. Human beings is also is a giving to the young one child. It means to here external fertilization nothing here. The human beings, cow, ham, there is a fertilization, internal fertilization. It means the option is A is correct here. A is correct. Frog here, external fertilization. The frog is giving to the eggs on the water, and the female here the fuse of and sperm. That's important. It means to the A option is correct here. A option is correct. There is a show the external fertilization in a frog. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here, which is not a biprous animal? You know that is a question is very interesting. Which is not a biprous animal? A human being, B cow, C dog, D butterfly. You know that a biprous animal, that's some very interesting here. But first of all, you give a correct answer for this question and also write the correct answer for your notebook. That's important. And you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer for this question. Question is clear here. Which is not a biprous animal? A human beings, they show the biprous here. It means to here A is a wrong statement here. C, there is a B, there is a B, C, there is a nothing is a biprous here. It means there is a biprous animal. Humans, cow, D is a biprous animal. It means the A, B, C is rejected here. But D, butterfly, there is a biprous animal here. That's important. The option is D is correct for this question. Next question on your screen. Question here. The animal that produce a new young one is called. The animal that produce new young one is called A. Biprous animal, B. Oviparous animal, C. Both, D. None of these. Question is very interesting, but first of all you check a correct answer of this question because you are important. You know that is most of a thought of your answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. The animals that produce a new young one are called. You know that you have already understand the biprous there is about a new young one. It means to the A option is correct. A option is correct for this question. That's important. A is a biprous is there is a most important options for the A. Let's see. Check the next question here. You know that next question on your screen. Question here. In humans, the development of fertilized egg take a place in the, you know that the human beings, the development of fertilized egg take place in here. A. Ovary, B. oviduct, C. testis, D. uterus. You know that C. testis, that's nothing here. The human being developing fertilized egg take place in there. That's important. You know that is a question is very interesting. But first of all, you check a correct answer for this question. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see, check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. In humans, the development of fertilized egg take place in A option is ovary. You know that there is a ovary is not a take place here. It means A option is a false. B oviduct. B oviduct. There is also here a false. C testis. I already asked that test is nothing here. It means A, B, C is here not a correct answer for this question. It means D question is correct for this answer. That's important. Uterus. In humans, the development of fertilized egg take place in a uterus. It means the D option is correct. D option, uterus, is correct answer for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Egg are formed in. Egg are formed in the A. testis, B. penis, C. ovary, D. none of these. That's important. The egg formation is the female. Female, that's important. There is a eggs are formed in. That's the question asked the examiner. You know that first of all you check a correct answer for this question and write the correct answer for your notebook. That's important. You know that you write the correct answer for the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. Egg are formed in the A. testis. There's not a testis the egg formation. Testis is the formation of a sperm. It means the A option is wrong here. B. penis. Penis here a root for the pass of out of the sperm. It means the B option is wrong. It means to B option is incorrect here. That is option C, ovary. You know that C, ovary. Yes, it is a correct answer. Egg are formed in there is a ovary. C is correct for this question. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The how many modes of reproduction are there in the animal? You know that is a question is very interesting. How many modes of reproduction are there in the animal? A. 1 types, B. 2 types, C. 3 types, D. 4 types. Question is very interesting. But first of all, you check a correct answer for this question and write the correct answer for your notebook. You know that. Write the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. How many modes of reproduction are there in the animal? You know that animal reproduction here, sexual or sexual. 2 types here. It means the B option is correct. B option is correct for this question. Animal, there is a 2 types of reproduction on there here. That's important. Option B, 2 types. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The cell formed after the fertilization is called. The cell formed after the fertilization is called A. embryo, B. fetus, C. zygote, D. egg. You know that is a question is very interesting for the exam point of view. The question is interesting, But first of all, you give a correct answer and write the correct answer for your notebook. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. The cell formed after the fertilization is called. Know that a embryos. No, embryos is a development children here. Embryo is a development here, and fetus is also is a advanced development. Embryo is a small stage, but fetus is a development stage. But zygote, that is the correct answer. Zygotes, it means to the fertilization time. There is a second stage. It is a zygote. C option is correct for this question. The cell formed after fertilization is called zygote. Zygote is the most important answer for this question. C option is correct here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The fusion of sperm. The fusion of sperm and ova usually occur in the fusion of sperm and ova usually occur in A. Ovary, B. Uterus, C. Testis, D. Oviduct. Question is most important and answer is important for the exam point of view and competitive exam also. You know that first of all, you give a correct answer of this question. Okay, and write the correct answer for your notebook. Question is very clear here. The fusion of sperm and ova usually occur in the A. Ovary. No way. The fusion of sperm and the ova usually occur. There are no things to the ovary. It means to the A option is incorrect here. B. Uterus. B. Uterus. This is not a correct answer of this question. And C. Testis. Testis is nothing is a correct answer because the fusion of sperm and ova usually occur in the node of testis. The C option is wrong. But D option is a oviduct. Oviduct is the correct answer of this question. The fusion of sperm and the ova usually occur in their oviduct. It means D option is correct for this answer. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The male gametes or sperm consist of. Question is very interesting. The male gametes or sperm consist of A. 3 parts, B. 2 parts, C. 4 part, D. None of these. Question is very interesting here. Question is very interesting. The male gamete or sperm consist of. But first of all, you give a correct answer of this question. Question is very interesting and write the correct answer for your notebook. You must have write the correct answer of your notebook. Let's see, check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. The male gamete, you know that see the male gametes and sperm, they consist here 3 part. A 3 part, that is the correct answer. The male gamete sperm consists of 3 part. It means the A option is correct. A option is correct, 3 part. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Ovum or egg are formed in. Ovum or eggs are formed in A. Ovary, B. Testy, C. Penis, D. Oviduct. You know that is a question is very interesting. But first of all, I give a clue. Testis and penis is not here a right answer. It means to the only two options remain here. Option A, ovary, and D, oviduct. That's important. But first of all, you write the correct answer for the notebook. That's important here. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought and write also the answer for the question. Let's see, check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. Ovums or egg are formed in. Only here, two options remain. Ovary and oviduct. I already is a B and C, testis and penis. is rejected. It means to the here two option is here only, ovary and ovident. You know that D option is here wrong. The ovident is the nothing is the correct answer. It means to the only one option A is here remained. The ovary is the correct answer of this question. Ovum or egg are formed in a ovary. Ovary means female oviduct. That's important. There is a option is correct. Ovary. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The budding occur in. The body occur A here. Amoeba. B is here dog. C is a paramecium. And D yeast. Question is very interesting. Budding occur in. That's important. But first of all, you write the correct answer for your notebook. That's important here. You know that is the questions is clear. You must have a thought and write the correct answer of your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. Budding occur in. Budding occur in. First of all, B option is totally here wrong. B option is totally here rejected. There's a dog. There is not a budding occur here. Amoeba. There is not a correct answer. C paramecia. There's not a correct answer. It means to A, B, C is here wrong option. It means to the only option is remaining D. D is correct answer. East. East is a budding occur here. That's important. Budding occur in a east. D option is correct for this question. Let's see. Check the next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Binary fusion is absorbed in. The binary fusion is absorbed in A. Hydra, B. Yeast, C. Amoeba, D. Human being. You know that binary fusion is absorbed in. Question is very interesting. Question is very interesting. But one option is very odd. Human being. Human being is not a belong to binary fusion is absorbed here. It means D option is totally wrong. Rejected here. Only here reminded A, B, C. But is the answer is here very easy. But first of all, you give a correct answer for this question. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear here. Binary fusion is absorbed in. You know that A option is Hydra is not a binary fusion here. It means to the A option is here wrong. East and nothing is here. East a budding, not a binary fusion. The east is a budding, not a binary fusion. It means to here B option is also is here incorrect. It means to the only option remaining C. C options here amoeba. Amoeba is a take place of binary fusion. Amoeba is a one part divided by the binary fusion is a two part. It means to the here C option is correct for this question. C option is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The tadpole. The tadpole is the developing stage of which of these? Tadpole is the developing stage of which of these? A. Dogs, B. Cat, C. Frog, D. Human being. It means to humans. That's important option, but a tadpole is the most important here. But first of all, you give a correct answer and write the notebook a correct answer. That's important. And there is a you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer for this question. Question is clear here. Tadpole. Tadpole is a developing stage of which of these? The tadpole is developing not as a having as a dog, cat, and human. That is a wrong option here. That means to dog, cat, human is the wrong option. A, B, D is wrong. But there is the stage of frog, the tadpole. It means to the frog option is correct here. The tadpole is the developing stage which of the frog. C option is correct for this question. C, frog. That's important answer for this question here. Let's see. Check our next question. Next question on your screen. Question here, that's important. Question here, where does the fusion of male and female gametes generally take place? Question is very interesting. Where does the fusion of male-female gametes generally take place? A. Fallopian tube, B. Ovary, C. uterus, D. Zygote. You know that the question is interesting, but first of all, you give a correct answer for this question. Question is very interesting, and write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. Okay? You must have a thought and write the answer for your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear here. Where does the fusion of male-female gametes generally take place? You know that D option is here wrong. Zygote is nothing that female male gametes generally take place here. It means D option is the wrong. C uterus is also is a wrong option here. B ovary not a good answer. It means to the A fallopian tube. A fallopian tube there is generally is take place. It means to the A option is correct. The fusion of male and female gametes generally take place in a fallopian tube. It means to the A option is correct here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Asexual reproduction is observed in. Question is clear. Asexual reproduction is observed in A. Cow, B. Buffalo, C. Sponge, and D. Hen. That's important here. But that's important. You must have a thought of your answer and write the correct answer for a notebook. No, that's important. I give you few seconds for you. You must have done the correct answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear here. Asexual reproduction is observed in. Asexual reproduction. You know that cow, buffalo, there is the same types of animal. There is an animal category. Animal categories are nothing the sexual reproduction here, and the hen also. It means the only option is a C. Remind here, C option sponge is the C option is correct here. Asexual reproduction is observed in a sponge. C option is correct for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The male gametes is called. Question is clear. Male gametes is called. That's important. Option A sperm. Option B ova. Option C embryo. Option D zygote. You know that question is very interesting, but first of all you check your knowledge and write the correct answer for your notebook. I give you few seconds for you. You must have done the correct answer for your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear here. The male gamete is called D zygote. No way. It is not a correct answer. Zygote here. Zygote is totally wrong for this question. And C embryos. Embryos are nothing here. C option is also is rejected here. B ova is wrong. And the A, yes, the male gamete is called to the sperm. It means to the A option is correct. That's important here. That's important. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Dash is the process that ensure continuity of life on earth. You know that is an important question here. Dash is the process that ensure continuity of life on the earth. A. Sperm. B. Reproduction. C. Embryos. D. Zygote. You know that the sperm is important, reproduction is also important, embryos is important, and the zygote is also important. But one option is correct here. The important life on the earth, there is a sperm, reproduction, embryo, zygote. That's important here. But first, there is important is only one option is correct here. But first of all, you give a correct answer of this question. You know that you have to write the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. Dash is the process that ensure the continuity life on the earth. That's important. A sperm is important. But here, according to the question, dash is the process that ensure the continuity of life on the earth. B. Reproduction. Yes, it is the correct answer. Reproduction is the most important, and reproduction is including sperm, embryo, zygote. But reproduction is the most important for this question. Is the right answer here. B. Reproduction. Reproduction is the process that ensure continuity of the life on the earth. It means the B option is correct here. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. In Hydra, the mode of reproduction is. Hydra is important. There is a mode of reproduction here. A. Sexual reproduction. B. Sexual reproduction. C. Both A and B, and these are none of these. Option understand? Asexual is of A option here. B is here sexual reproduction, and C both A and B, and these are none of these. Question is interesting, but you write the correct answer for your notebook. That's important, and you have write the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear here. In Hydra, the mode of reproduction is. That's important. The Hydra, the mode of reproduction is. Question is very interesting. The Hydra is not a take place here. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is nothing here. It means to the asexual reproduction is correct answer here. A option is correct for this question. Asexual reproduction. A option is correct. You know that is a question is important. Question here. Internal fertilization take place. Internal, external. Internal, the inside. External, outside. That's important. Internal is the inside. It means to here C, D option, the outside of female body, D outside the male body. It means the C, D is here rejected. Internal fertilization means inside of body, not the outside. It means the C, D option is rejected here. Only here A and B is important. But first of all, you are important. You must have a thought of your answer and write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question here. Internal fertilization take place. I have already asked there outside the female and outside the male body. The C, D option is totally incorrect because internal fertilization is here inside. The first option here inside a male body. You know that the male there is not a give a baby one. It means to the male is rejected here. Not a fertilization is a male body. It means to A option is incorrect here. There is it means to the B option is correct here. B inside of female body. Yes, B option is correct here. Inside the female body. The female body is a fertilization take place here. It is called internal fertilization. The B option is correct for this question. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Which one of the following is not a part of female reproductive organ? Which one of the following is not a part of female reproductive organ? Question is clear here. Question asks here not a part of female reproductive organ. A. Uterus. B. Ovary. C. Oviduct. D. Penis. Question is clear here. But you clear the correct answer for your notebook. That's important. You know that you must have a thought of your answer and also write the correct answer of your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is very interesting and important also. They take place for here. NCERT text here. Which one of the following is not a part of female reproductive organ? A. Uterus. You know that uterus is an important part for the female body, female reproductive organ here. It means to A option is right, but examiner here asks not a part of female body. A. Uterus, the female part of body, and B. Ovary, also part of the female body, and C. Oviduct. Oviduct is also is a female part of reproductive organs here. It means penis. Penis is here a female organ, nothing here. It means to the options here D. Penis is correct. Examiner asks are not a part of female reproductive organ. It means to penis. Penis is here male reproductive organ here. The penis is here male reproductive organ. It means to the here D option is correct. D option is here correct. Let's see. Check the next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. In the list of animal given below, hen is the odd one out. The hen is a odd in one out. The human being, cow, dog, hen. The reason for this is why the odd here hen. The reason give us. Question is clear. In the list of animal given below, human beings, cow, dog, hen. But hen is the odd one. The how is hen is the odd one in out. Give the reason. A. It undergoes to internal fertilization. B. It is a oviparous. C. It is a biparous. D. It is undergoes to external fertilization. You know that this question is very interesting. Question is very interesting. In the list of animal give below, hen is odd in one. Why? But first of all, you give a correct answer of this question because you are important. Okay? You know that. You write the correct answer of your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer for this question here. Question is clear. In the list of animal given below, human beings, cow, dog, hen. Hen is the odd in one out. The reason for here. Because it is a undergoes internal fertilization. No ways. The hen's internal fertilization is the right answer. There is a right, but not a odd here. It means to B. It is a oviparous. B. Oviparous? Yes, it is a correct answer here. It is a oviparous. Oviparous is mean here. There is a given to the egg. Their hen are giving egg. The human being, cow, dog, not a give a egg. Okay? It means to the hen is the odd one here. It means to the option is B is correct here. Option B, it is correct. There is C is a biparous. Biparous is given to the young one. It means human beings, cow, dogs are given a birth of young one. The C option is other, but B option is correct here. Oviparous, the B option is correct. The B, it is correct for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Dash is the process of fusion of gamete. Dash is the process of fusion of gamete. Option here. Oviparous. B. Biparous. C. Fertilization. And D. None of these. Question is most important here. Dash is the process of fusion of gamete. Question is interesting. But first of all, you give a correct answer and write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. That's important. You not give the correct answer. Okay? And write the also a comment box. Correct answer, write the comment box. That's important. And then let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear here. Dash is the process of fusion of gamete. Dash is process of fusion of gamete. A. Oviparous. No way. Oviparous is not a option is correct here. B. Before press nothing's here. This is important, and you know none of this. No way. C is the fertilization is the correct answer. The fertilization is the process of fusion of gamete. C option is correct for this question. Fertilization. Fertilization is the process of fusion of gamete. C option is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Dash are the cell involved in a sexual reproduction. You know that is the question is clear. Dash are the cell involved in a sexual reproduction. A. Factors. B. Gamete. C. Embryos. And D. None of these. Question is very interesting. But first of all, you give a correct answer of this question here. Question is clear. Dash are the cell in the sexual reproduction. You know that you are right the correct answer with the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. Dash are the cells involved in sexual reproduction. A factors. Factors is nothing here. Factor is a development stage. The factor is a development stage. And B. Gametes. You know that is gamete is correct answer of this question. Gamete is the correct answer for this question. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen. Question here. The process of reproduction involving fusion of male and female gamete. You know that is an important question here. The process of reproduction involving fusion of male-female gamete is called dash reproduction. You know that is the question is very clear. But option here very different. A. Uterus. B. Ovary. C. Sexual. D. Penis. You know that three options is here wrong. One is correct, but one correct. That's important. But first of all, you give a correct answer of this question and write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. You know that you write the correct answer of your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. The process of reproduction involving fusion of male-female gamete is called dash reproduction. That's important. The fusion of male-female gamete is called dash reproduction. Uterus, there is an odd option. Uterus is an odd option. Ovaries is also an odd option because ovaries here a part of reproduction, but not a female gamete is called a reproduction, dash reproduction. And C is here sexual. That is the correct answer because male and female gamete is called sexual reproduction. That's a clear sentence. The male-female gamete is called sexual reproduction. It means the C option is correct here. C option is correct, sexual reproduction. That's important. And let's see next question here. You know that next question on your screen. Question here. Factors is the factors is the A. Well-developed embryos. B. Developing embryo. C. A zygote. D. Male gamete. Question is very interesting here. The factors is the. But first of all, you are important. Write the correct answer for your notebook. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer and write. I give the correct answer. Okay. The question is clear here. Factors is the. Factors is the. That's factors not a developing embryos and not a zygote and not a male gamete. It means the option A is correct here. Well developed embryos. A option is correct for this question. Factors is the well developed embryos. A option is correct for this question. Let's see next question here. The next and last question on your screen. Question here. The female gamete is called. The female gamete is called A. ova, B. sperm, C. zygote, D. uterus. The important here. But first of all, you are important. Give the correct answer for this question and also write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. You know that you done the correct answer for your notebook, and also comment the correct answer for comment box. Okay, let's see, check the correct answer for this question. Question is clear. The female gamete is called, you know that the female gamete is called uterus. No way, it is not a correct answer. D is a wrong option. C, zygote. No way, zygote is nothing. A female gamete is called here. And a sperm is here male gamete. A sperm is here male gamete. It means the only option A is remained here. The A option, ova. There is a right answer. The female gamete is called ova. A option is correct. That's important here for the competitive exam and also for the important for the exam point of view. That's important. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.